Okay, another broken appliance. This is a steamer. It's a Total Home Master. So these things, yeah, they don't seem to last too long. Who are they made by? I think they're made by Vax by the looks of it. Yeah, they're Vax. So made in the PRC, People's Republic of Congo, I think it is. So water goes in here. One-handed operation. There, some sort of like crystal filter business going on there. If the filter is fully discoloured, it may need replacing. That's my assistant, Peanut. Peanut, do you want to help? Come on then. I think he's after his bone. So yeah, I don't think that is. I don't know what the colour was to begin with on this. We're going to start it up though and see what happens. I might give it my famous vinegar treatment. I can't remember. We're in a soft water area, so we shouldn't get limescale here. But you never know. I can't remember if this was bought before we moved here. So I'm going to give it a go. It's just on at the moment. No vinegar in it at all. I'm just going to see what it does and then report back. Right, I've got no idea about steamers, but let's have a look at this. This is how much steam it produces. I'd say that works okay. Trigger off. Trigger on. We're going to give it the treatment. We're going to give it the vinegar treatment. And let's go. Let's do some vinegar treatment. Alright, so we have the best vinegar money can buy. A cap I can't undo. And a hole I can't fill with this. So let's have some fun. Lid off. Could do with a funnel. Haven't got a funnel. I think we will move to the sink location. Right, 50% of the vinegar in, 50% spilt. Quick rinse. Not sure what this does to the filters. If anyone knows, leave a comment. It might kill the filter, but you can buy the filters, so just buy a new one. Right, what we do, we put this back in. Give it a shake. What I think I will do is, let's do this again. Dogs don't like this, they think it's a snake. Let's have a look. There's just one steam hole. Yeah. Okay. What we do, we just run the steam through the vinegar solution. I think what that filter might be in the thing is an actual softener. I think if you're in a hard water area, which you're liable to get limescale, it's a softener, so it will turn the water from hard to soft to stop the limescale, because otherwise these wouldn't really last that long. I'm just pulsing at the moment, switch it off. I'm not sure if this is any better really. It might be actually. I'm not sure how much stuff we got in. Yeah, still got a tank, half a tank. Sammy, this way, come here. Sammy, come here. Peanut, you alright? Do you think we fixed the steamer? You think we fixed it? What do you reckon, Peanut? Is it fixed? Is it fixed? Good boy. Right, do you want to go? Do you want a steamed dog? Go on, out the way, over. Good boy. Over. Over. Right, let's pulse it again. I think it probably is a little bit better. Saying that, oh, don't know. I think what we're probably going to do is just get a new filter for this. That's probably the best thing to do. So give the vinegar treatment a go. You might as well. If it's still not doing anything, then just buy a new filter. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful. Bye. Right, so going back to this, that filter I was talking about is this beast. So take that out. Looks like a load of beads, but yeah, let's get this replaced and see what happens after that. God knows how much they are, so I'll have a look and yeah, get that changed. A little thought about these filters is if they are blocked, if you try and blow through it, it won't blow. So let's have a look. That bit. Doesn't feel that restricted, so I can't see that being a problem. I had a little think about this. Although I don't think it's massively restricted, there's a bit of resistance when you try and blow through this thing of God knows what balls and bits in it. So don't do this at home, but we're just going to bypass this. Bit of pipe pushed into the feed and then into the corresponding hole in here. So basically a little bit like push that into there. So I'm just going to adjust the pipe slightly and then I'll show you what I've done. Right, so we've cut a wee bit of this pipe off. All we need to do is just push that into there, which I will try and do on camera using my knee as a hand. That just feeds in there. It's fine, it's gone in. That one's in. Pop it like that. It's got a kink in the pipe, so I'm going to have to shorten it. Right, filter bypass. Switch it on. I think I'm going for a final success on that. Peanut agrees. Peanut, do you agree? bit shy on camera. Not that shy. Peanut! Shh. So yeah, I think that's a good one. Don't do it at home because you'll break the thing eventually, probably, and I wouldn't be blamed. So that's the pipe. Go straight in there, push it in, close it, job done. Thanks for watching.